let's take a closer look at the Matrice 4 Enterprise. This drone is all about power and precision. Its modular design makes it easy for you to customise for your specific mission. Here are the key specs to be aware of. First of all, it's got a 15-second fast takeoff and the home point updates through vision positioning. It has an improved max ascent speed and descent speed compared to the Mavic series, an increase of 33% with both. It has a 21 meters per second forward flight speed, an increase of 40% from the Mavic 3 Enterprise, which had 15 meters per second, and it has an increased flight time by 6 minutes, now having a maximum flight time of 49 minutes. Along with new drones comes a new controller, the DJI RC+2 Enterprise. This is slightly smaller than the RC Plus, which comes with the M350 with a 7-inch screen, but a huge difference compared to the RC that came with the Mavic 3 Enterprise. It uses 04 Enterprise transmission, has high gain antenna array, 4G enhanced transmission, and is IP rated 54, which can withstand harsher weathers, which, as we all know, is very common within the UK. It also has a 7-hour battery life with the ability to charge out of the battery so you can fly all day. As I mentioned, it has an enhanced transmission range of 25 kilometers and the new algorithm improves anti-interference ability. The drone supports the DJI Cellular Dongle 2, so it allows for 4G enhanced transmission. And with this series, you see a huge increase of flight safety. It has a built-in RTK module. It has anti-interference capabilities. You can preload obstacle data onto the controller, and it uses fusion positioning through the low-light fisheye vision sensors and vision-assisted positioning. The way the vision positioning works is when the GNSS is weak or lost, the vision system will improve stability, which is really useful in situations like bridge inspections where it is common to lose connection. The improved obstacle avoidance algorithms also make it possible to avoid thin objects, which was tricky with the Mavic 3 Enterprise. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Please leave your thoughts on the brand new M4E in the comments section below. Thanks again for watching and happy flying!